In a time when the cost of living is expensive and ordinary jobs are not cutting it, people all over the world are seeking different ways to earn income. This shift is more than just a passing phase. It's a critical approach to enduring, a reflection of the increasing demand for financial independence, flexibility, and sensibility. However, the pressing question is, how does one begin this venture with emerging skills, confinement to a distant location, and a financial situation in dire need of improvement? Worry no more, as you've discovered your comprehensive manual here at Digital Wealth Hive. Welcome back and thank you for your loyalty. Let's dive into the first side hustle on our list that you can do with entry-level education remotely, and that has the potential to make you $6 to $10 per hour, microtasking. Platforms like mturk.com and clickworker.com allow you to perform simple tasks like data validation or data research, earning you that much with entry-level qualifications. I'll display the web pages on the screen for you to easily find them through a quick Google search. Now let's move on to the second item on our list, writing or blogging. This one can be started with entry-level education, and in most cases, you don't even need a high school diploma or work experience. You can start your own blog with platforms like wordpress.com or blogger.com. Then you can monetize it through Google AdSense, as I shared in this video with detailed instructions. In this video, I also discussed how to create blogs and write articles without needing to be particularly tech-savvy. Frankly speaking, you'll be able to use an AI tool to write complete articles that you can monetize. You will also have the opportunity to monetize your blog through sponsored posts. For example, if a brand reaches out to you and wants you to feature their product or company, you can include it in a blog post with a link, benefiting in that regard. Additionally, you can use affiliate links for various products and leverage them to earn money through your blog. Of course, as I mentioned in this video, your blogging earnings will depend on your website's traffic. On average, it's not uncommon to make around $5 to $10. The next side hustle you can do with entry-level education is online tutoring. Websites like tutor.com typically pay about $10 to $14 per hour for online tutoring. Preply is another platform where you can earn anywhere from $10 to as much as $80 per hour for tutoring in language and academic subjects. The next side hustle is pretty fun. It's stock photography. And this is one of them that I do personally. It generates a few dollars here and there in passive income because I upload my photos and forget about them. Then occasionally, I'm surprised with a payment. If you have a knack for taking pictures, all you need is a good smartphone, and you can upload your photos to platforms like shutterstock.com or istockphoto.com. These platforms allow you to sell your photos or allow users to use them, and you will earn a royalty payment with each photo that's downloaded for use. Data entry is another side hustle that's excellent for beginners, and once again, clickworker.com and mturk.com are platforms where you can actually take on data entry jobs that pay anywhere from $5 to $7 per hour. Now, this next side hustle is so good that I had to dedicate an entire video to it. I have coached individuals who are using it to make $500 to $800 in 1 week from this platform, and it is a transcription service. Platforms like rev.com will pay you to transcribe audio files. You will be able to earn anywhere from 30 cents to as much as $1 per audio minute. When transcribing, you're trying to type out what is being said in the audio or the video as closely to perfection as possible. For someone with entry-level education and no prior experience in providing transcription services, you can use the equation that 1 minute of audio will equate to about 4 audio minutes. So basically, in an hour, you should be able to transcribe about 20 audio minutes. Content creation is another side hustle that you can do with entry-level education. In fact, you don't need any education at all to be a content creator these days on platforms like YouTube. You can create and upload videos from any niche. I've seen prank videos get millions of views, and prank channels do pretty well. You don't need entry-level education to start a prank channel. Just be careful not to introduce a lot of negativity and drama into your life by doing so. I don't have to tell you how to monetize YouTube because I've spoken about it so many times on this channel. Another side hustle on our list that you can do and make money at the entry level from an educational perspective is testing websites and apps. And usertesting.com is my favorite platform to do this because of its earning potential and all the success stories that I have heard about persons who are making good money using user testing. You can earn as much as $60 per test with this platform. Now, there are customer service opportunities that are out there. And of course, these are remote opportunities with organizations like liveops.com or workingsolutions.com that you can do in some instances from a number of locations across the globe. They will hire remote customer service agents that do not have anything beyond entry-level education. The pay typically ranges from $9 to about $15 per hour, and with these two companies, they'll provide the training that is necessary for you to succeed. So, you don't need work experience either. Now, this next one is a no-brainer. Obviously, you can take surveys with entry-level education. You can get paid to take surveys on websites like Inbox Dollars. They will only pay a few cents or a few dollars per survey. But if surveys are available, it can add up pretty quickly and make you a tidy sum, at least $5 per hour on average when you have surveys available on the platform. Now, this one isn't even a side hustle, in my mind. It's like a hobby that you can monetize with entry-level education, and it is listening to music. Websites like playlistpush.com and slicethepie.com pay you to listen and review new songs. You can earn a few cents up to a few dollars per song. But listen, if you love listening to music, why not just monetize this hobby? If you are not into music, guess what? You do not need anything beyond entry-level education to answer email. And with inboxdollars.com, again, you will be able to make money by reading actual emails. The earnings, again, will be a few cents to a few dollars, but you will be able to read quite a few emails within the span of an hour, as an example. And those few cents and few dollars will add up pretty quickly. Now, I've talked about the next category, that is entertainment, but you can use it to make money online, and it's watching videos. I've also spoken about these two platforms that are ideal for watching videos and making money, swagbucks.com and again, Inbox Dollars. It's on the list for a third time. Both these platforms will pay you only a few cents to a few dollars to watch each video, and it does add up to maybe coffee money, drink money, or your gym money, or some money that you can use to offset a bill. It's not going to make you financially free, but it's definitely going to help you as a side hustle to supplement your 9-to-5 income, or it will help you to put aside some money to save for your retirement or for your next generation, or even to invest and spare your 9-to-5 income for your everyday bills. Data cleaning is another side hustle category that does not require anything beyond entry-level qualification. And with websites like clickworker.com that I've mentioned, you will be able to do data cleaning tasks where you can correct or clean up data, and this one actually pays for what you're doing at a pretty competitive rate, coming in at $5 to $7 per hour. You can also participate in market research as another side hustle category that you can monetize without having anything but entry-level education. Companies will pay you for consumer opinions, like pineconeresearch.com, and these opinions are for various products and services. They'll pay a few dollars per survey or per study, but believe me, rock stars, especially on Pinecone Research, this does add up. But you need to create a solid profile to ensure that you're qualifying for these opportunities to begin with. You can also test and review new websites and even apps as another way to make money with entry-level education, and userfeel.com is a great platform to do so, as well as Timada.com, which used to be Try My UI. You can earn about $10 on average per test, and these tests take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, so you will be able to earn, as an example, working 8 hours in a day, potentially $80 in a day for this particular opportunity. The last side hustle on our list is as an online juror, and in this capacity, you're going to get paid for participating in mock juries. With platforms like ejury.com or onlineverdict.com, you are able to sign up for these gigs, and you will make anywhere from $10 to as much as $60 per case, and of course, the amount you make per case will differ based on the length and how intricate it is. In your arsenal, you have several opportunities from this video that you can use as a side hustle with entry-level education. Most of them can be done from anywhere across the globe, and obviously they can be done from the comforts of your home. So, it's up to you to decide which one you're going to test and monetize. And remember, you may test one, it doesn't work for you. Do not conclude that nothing works because there are other people out there who are doing exactly this and making good money. So what's holding you back from jumping into this exciting journey? Don't forget, there's a whole sea of opportunities in the digital realm, just waiting for you to take the plunge. If you found this guide helpful in your pursuit of success, don't hesitate to hit that like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more nuggets of financial savvy. You're tuned into Digital Wealth Hive, and we're here rooting for you to be wealthy. Until our next chat, keep pushing forward.